Hello, everybody. My name is Justin Budmeyer. I'm the athletic director here at Riverdale High School, and I want to take a moment to welcome all of you to the Raider family and to encourage you to follow us on Twitter at Raider Athletes, in addition to checking the school website regularly for the most up-to-date information on athletics and activities. At the recording of this video, I do not have any concrete information as to when we will begin the fall sports season or any off-season activities. As soon as we get clearance that it is safe to have students on our campus, we will begin those activities. In the meantime, students can prepare by getting physicals and having all their associated paperwork in order and be ready to go as soon as we get word. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and I look forward to meeting everybody as soon as we can be on campus. Have a great day.
Hello, everyone. My name is Pam Berry. I am the athletic secretary and head swim coach here at Riverdale High School. I have a few reminders for those of you who wish to compete in sports. There will be no organized physicals here at Riverdale. You will need to reach out to your primary care provider or any other provider of sports physicals to get this completed. You can find the appropriate paperwork on our website under the Athletics tab. If you have any questions regarding swimming, please contact me at pamba@leeschools.net or reach out to me here at the school at 239-694-4141. Welcome to Riverdale. I look forward to meeting you.
Hey everyone, it's Lindsay, your athletic trainer. I'm here to help you with your injuries, your aches, and your pains. You can find me on Google Classroom, and I look forward to meeting you once we get back into school.
Hey everyone, I'm Coach G. I coach the varsity cheerleading team and the competitive team. We're excited to have you join us here at Riverdale High School. Please stay tuned to the school website for information about upcoming tryouts. And my email is mistidg@leeschools.net. Go Raiders!
My name's James Delgado, the head football coach at Riverdale High School. For more information regarding Riverdale football, please email me at jamescd@leeschools.net. Also follow us at Riverdale Coach on Twitter. Look forward to seeing you. Go Raiders.
Hi guys, I'm Coach Green, and I really like to run. And if you do too, you should contact me because I coach cross country and track and field. We have a Google Classroom. You can find all the info that you need in there. No experience necessary. So can't wait to see you guys and start running with all y'all.
Hello everyone, my name is Austin Esposito. I coach girls golf at Riverdale High School. You can contact me at austinae@leeschools.net anytime you want. I always have my email on me. I look forward to meeting everyone in person, and I hope you guys have a great day.
Hi, my name is Ronnie Hipp. I'm the volleyball coach at Riverdale High School. The best way to get in touch with me is through email. My email address is roniah@leeschools.net. I will have more information posted about summer workouts and tryouts on the school website under athletics as soon as it becomes available to me. Look forward to meeting you.
Welcome to all coming freshmen. My name is Coach Delaire Osnack. I would like to take the time out to welcome you to Riverdale High School. I am the girls' head basketball coach and track coach. If you need any information, just get a hold of me. Email me at delairo@leeschools.net. Thank you, be safe, and see you soon.
Hi everyone, my name is Darren Wallace. I'm the varsity boys basketball coach at Riverdale High School, and I'm also a PE teacher. It's unfortunate that we have to meet under these circumstances. However, better days are ahead. If you have any questions regarding the school or program, please contact me. My email is Darren W. at leeschools.net. My Twitter handle is at Coach D. Wallace 24. Hope to see you soon. Go Raiders.
Hi, I'm Richard Williamson, head coach of boys lacrosse at Riverdale High School. Whether you've got years of experience or you're brand new to the game, I want to hear from you. Email me at richardpw@leeschools.net or check out our Facebook page at Riverdale Raiders Lacrosse. We also have a Twitter account, and you can find that at Riverdale Lax. Hope to hear from you soon, and see you in the fall.
Welcome, future Raiders. I'm Coach Muller of the girls lacrosse team, and I hope to see you out there this spring trying out for a great new sport.
Hi everyone, my name is Coach Kathy. I will be once again coaching the girls soccer team this season. We had a great season last season. Looking forward to meeting everybody. The best way you can reach me is at 239-910-3137. Between the both of us, we have 15 years plus coaching competitive soccer. And again, last year was great. It was our first year of coaching high school, and I thought we did pretty well. And I know the girls had a great time. This is Coach Huey.
And you can reach me at 239-464-0698 or through an email at onlyonehui@aol.com. That's only one OUI@AOL.com. Looking forward to meeting everyone when school starts.
Yes.
Hello, Raiders. My name is Chris Hayward. I'm the wrestling coach at Riverdale High School. Any boys or girls are interested in wrestling, you can check us out on social media on Facebook at Fort Myers Riverdale Wrestling or on Instagram and Twitter at Team Riverdale. Have a great summer.
Hello, this is Bob Pringle, head baseball coach at Riverdale High School. Once school begins again, hopefully, we will be starting workouts. We will have a meeting, and we will see everybody then. Hope everything's going good. Hope to see you then. Thanks.
Welcome to Riverdale High School. My name is Coach Alley. I am the boys head track and field coach. I highly encourage everyone to participate in both fall and winter sports. They will help prepare you for your track season, which will be in the spring. Please feel free to contact me. My email address is toddma@leeschools.net. I look forward to seeing you guys at school.
Hi everyone, I'm Coach Marshall and I coach the boys and girls bowling teams. If you're looking for a smaller, more close-knit team to play with, this is a really good group for that. We generally have about 14 to 16 bowlers in our group. You don't have to have a lot of background in bowling. It can be a fairly new sport to you, and you should still come and try out and see if you've got some skill. Of course, we are looking for some experienced bowlers as well. Don't forget this is an air-conditioned sport, so that's something we really got going for us. And just looking to have a good time and have a really fun group to hang out with. So if you have any questions, you can email me at rachelmma@leeschools.net. Cannot wait to hear from you, and of course I cannot wait to meet you.
Hello, this is Coach Nelson with Riverdale High School Tennis. Just wanted to say hello. All you big tennis fans out there, I'd like you to come by room 210 anytime when you get in school. We'd be happy to have you. If you have an interest in tennis, we'd love to see you come out on the tennis courts. Again, this is Coach Nelson. I'm in room 210 if you are interested in tennis. Talk to you guys later.
Hey guys, this is Coach Dennis at Riverdale High School. Welcome to our incoming freshmen. If you're interested in playing sports, particularly golf, you want to play golf, contact me. You can come see me whenever school starts back. You can email me at the school. For for more information. And if you join the team, you can come do stuff like this with us.